Online English for Me, an official Cambridge exam preparation centre. European countries and capitals, letters M to R. Let's go! Malta. The capital city is Valletta. Moldova. The capital city is Chisinau. Monaco. Capital city is Monaco. Montenegro. Capital city is Podgorica. Netherlands. Capital city is Amsterdam. Northern Ireland. Capital city is Belfast. Remember to subscribe. North Macedonia. Capital city is Skopje. Norway. The capital city is Oslo. Poland. The capital city is Warsaw. Portugal. The capital city is Lisbon. Romania. The capital city is Bucharest. Russia. The capital city is Moscow. That's the end. If you'd like to join our classes, visit www.onlineenglishforme.com. Don't forget to subscribe to Online English for Me.